I'm Dr. David Randall. I'm a veterinarian in Naples. I've got an animal hospital called Big Cypress Animal Clinic. It's on the East Trail. I'm a second-generation veterinarian. My dad graduated from Ohio State, and I graduated from the University of Florida. I've practiced 20-plus years, and we've done a mixed animal practice in the past. Nowadays in Naples, it's pretty much dogs and cats. This is a classical type of dog we see right here. You know, the 30-pound Schnauzer. We see a lot of Labrador retrievers and golden retrievers and boxers and stuff. It's a fun practice. It's a practice that's with the American Animal Hospital Association, one of the top type of hospitals that you can find in the United States. And we do everything from surgery to vaccination and preventive medicine. A lot of the dogs and cats we see here in the clinic do have degenerative joint disease, or what you would call arthritis. And the cause probably has to do with, nowadays we have hardwood floors, we have tile floors. There's very poor traction that the pets have, okay? Back in the 70s when you had shag carpet, they had better grip, they had less problems as far as laying down. They'd lay on the carpet, they'd get up, and they could actually stand up. Nowadays, the cats run through the kitchen, the cats run through the house, the dogs, they stop and they turn, they blow an anterior cruciate ligament or something. Plus, they stay inside a lot more, so they put on a little extra weight. Just like the Schnauzer. It's a great Schnauzer, okay, and it's not the dog's fault. She's spayed, so she put on weight. She's an in-house dog, so she put on weight. But this is the classical type of dog that's going to go out there, run a little bit, get the zips, feeling happy and healthy, stop and turn, and, you know, tear up a joint. That's why you want to do preventive medicine. I want to make sure that her joints are going to stay healthy. If you notice how thick she is, these are the type of dogs that what you want to do is preventative medicine. You want to put them on something just exactly like FlexPet to help the joints and everything. So a lot of times people think that the big dogs are the ones that, you know, have the biggest problems as far as the joints. And actually these guys, today we've had the Chihuahua that jumped around and hurt itself, and also a Cocker Spaniel that twisted its leg and stuff. So, I mean, we know that the big dogs are going to have long-term problems, but even small dogs like the Schnauzer and like the Chihuahuas and stuff benefit from things like glucosamine and all. The reason you're going to use FlexPet under my care is strictly because of preventative medicine, okay? What I hate to see are the dogs walk in here with the broken legs, with the twisted joints, with the torn cruciate ligaments, or the OCD lesions in the shoulder themselves, okay? That is after the injury's already happened, okay? And then we're talking about 6 months to a year to get them back, or you're talking about $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 worth of surgery. So preventative medicine is where it's at. FlexPet, guess what? Preventive medicine. Put your bets on it and try to make those joints as happy and healthy as possible. I've used FlexPet for at least a year on many of the pets here in the clinic and stuff. What we try to do is a combination of things. It's a combination of glucosamine, it's a combination of fatty acids. Literally the best thing about FlexPet is the ease of giving the product itself, okay? A lot of the bigger pills and stuff kind of crumble up, okay? Sometimes the pill's too big, the dogs won't eat it, especially the little dogs. You got the Chihuahuas and stuff, okay? And this one right here, it's got a nice smell to it, nice flavor to it. This dog has never had these pills before in life, okay? And sit there and literally pick it up and just eat it and stuff. And you can't get any easier than that, okay? That's something that you want to do on any of the dogs, especially the big dogs, you know, that have slow growth rates, and the dogs that are mature and putting on a little extra weight so they don't hurt their joints and stuff. It's a good product to be used in your clinic.